Ever wondered how long it actually takes for your Ally auto payment to go through? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at our bank accounts, anxiously waiting to see that loan payment disappear. But with Ally, things might be a bit different than you expect. Let's dive in and explore the world of Ally auto payments, uncovering how long it typically takes and what factors can influence that time frame. Understanding Ally's auto payment system. First things first, Ally offers a few different ways to make your auto payments. You've got the classics. Automated clearinghouse, ACH, transfers. These are electronic fund transfers directly from your bank account to Ally. Online bill pay. This is where you initiate the payment through your bank's online banking platform. Then there's the Ally AutoPay feature, which offers a bit more flexibility. Ally AutoPay. This allows you to schedule automatic payments from your linked bank account on a recurring basis. You can often choose the payment date that works best for you. Now, the burning question, how long does it actually take for the money to reach Ally? ACH transfers. Generally, ACH transfers take 1 to 3 business days to process. This means it can take up to 3 business days for the funds to be deducted from your account and reflected in your Ally loan balance. Online bill pay. Similar to ACH transfers, online bill pay through your bank usually takes 1 to 3 business days. However, there might be slight variations depending on your bank's processing times. Ally AutoPay. If you're using Ally AutoPay, the processing time is generally the same as ACH transfers, 1 to 3 business days. The key here is consistency. By setting up recurring payments, you ensure your payments are made on time, every time, reducing the risk of late fees and potential credit score impacts. Factors that can influence processing time. While these are general guidelines, a few factors can influence how long it takes for your Ally auto payment to process. Your bank's processing speed. Different banks have different processing speeds for electronic transactions. Some banks may process payments faster than others. Payment date. If you're making a payment on a weekend or holiday, it might take longer to process as banks are typically closed. Bank holidays. Both your bank and Ally may have occasional holidays that can slightly delay processing. Technical issues. Occasionally, there might be temporary technical glitches on either your bank's end or Ally's end that could cause delays. Here are a few tips to ensure your Ally auto payments go through smoothly and on time. Schedule payments in advance. If possible, schedule your payments a few days in advance of the due date to account for any potential processing delays. Maintain sufficient funds. Always ensure you have sufficient funds in your bank account to cover the auto payment amount on the scheduled date. Review your payment history. Regularly review your payment history in your Ally account to ensure all payments have been processed successfully. Contact Ally customer service. If you encounter any issues or have questions about your auto payments, don't hesitate to contact Ally customer service for assistance. The importance of timely payments. Making your Ally auto payments on time is crucial for several reasons. Avoid late fees. Late payments can result in late fees, which can significantly increase the overall cost of your loan. Maintain good credit. On-time payments are a key factor in building and maintaining a good credit score. A good credit score can help you qualify for better interest rates on future loans, such as mortgages and credit cards. Avoid negative account actions. Consistent late payments can lead to more serious consequences, such as account suspension or even repossession of your vehicle. Ally's commitment to customer service. Ally is known for its customer-centric approach and provides various resources to help you manage your auto payments effectively. Online account access. You can easily view your loan details, make payments, and manage your account online through Ally's user-friendly website or mobile app. Customer service support. Ally offers excellent customer service support through phone, email, and live chat. You can reach out to them with any questions or concerns you may have. Final thoughts. Making your Ally auto payments on time is essential for responsible financial management. By understanding the typical processing times and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure your payments are made smoothly and avoid any potential issues. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.